Acha, listen, no. Do you know somebody who snores? Let's find out if you should be worried or no.
Preview.
So, snoring is a symptom of an underlying condition called as obstructive sleep apnea. What happens is when you sleep, the airway gets partially or completely blocked, because of which your breathing gets affected. It decreases the level of oxygen in your blood, which increases the risk of getting high BP. Also, snoring may or may not affect your sleep, but it will definitely affect your partner's sleep. So, if you have been snoring for a very long time, it's best to go and consult a doctor. मिलते हैं next video में.